That's a really small, really thin iPhone stand and really cool. It's metal.
CES 2023 report is sponsored by Axon and NordVPN.
So this is Rolling Square. Yeah, Rolling Square. I never heard of them before, but I came here because I got their email and those look interesting. So this one actually caught my first attention because I do this a lot. I use my iPad as a second screen. I mean, it's not that big screen, so it's much better with an iPad. I usually just use the iPad stand, the usual smart cover. Sometimes you don't have a surface big enough to put it, so this is will be really useful. Now, how does it work is that it uses magnet. Yeah. You do have to put some stickers on it, but it's not really that, it's not green, it's not red, it's gray, dark gray, and then it's really thin. You do have to put more stickers at the back. You don't have to put so many, you just put as many as you want. This doesn't have to be attached on it as well when you're on the go. This is so thin as well, look at that. And you can close it, just like that. I think this is kind of not as ideal, is that because you can move in and out a little bit, so you do have to align them. But I think after a few times you get used to it. Just stick on it, and voila, just like that. This is the same. That is pretty strong. This is just the same thing. And here, this is for your iPhone. If you got MagSafe, so with MagSafe, you don't even have to stick a sticker. But if you got other phone, if you got Android, you can stick that little sticker maybe inside your case. It doesn't. You don't have to see that as well. There's an attachment here. So this is just that little hinge. With that little hinge, you can put your iPhone there, or if you put this is actually a wireless charger. So stick on here, put on a USB cable, and you can charge your phone there. And also this hinge, I showed this hinge, this is the same as that one, that many hinges. So you can only get this as well, iPhone stand. That's a really small, really thin iPhone stand and really cool, it's metal. Or you put this wireless charging on it and it's your charger.
If you don't use Apple, you can still add a ring to your Android phone.
And this another example, that's two wireless charging here. If you want the phone facing up, there you go. Just use it for iPad as well. You can use an iPad stand, or like that. If you like Tim Cook, oh, you only use your iPad, you don't need your laptop. You can do that. Oh look, there's a black one as well.
This has been successfully crowdfunded for lots long ago. You can pre-order it now, and it seems to be shipping soon.
Now this is a really small power bank, 1400 mAh. It's not really a lot, but then, well, it's small. But it is a keychain, so we can have it with you all the time. Ding! Oh yeah, it's easier with both hands. This is for iPhone, and obviously they have USB-C. The thing is, how do you charge it? You got a dock there. When you're back home, you just put it next to your door and charge it. So you never forget to charge it, and you never forget to bring power bank. This is a new one, because you can do it single-handed, like that. And the dock is smaller. Oh yeah, by the way, the new one actually got a higher power battery, 2000 mAh, compared to 1400. And this one, it basically is charging cable. It has every connection that you want. USB-A, USB-C, Lightning, USB-C. Oh yeah, USB-C. And the USB-C support USB-C PD as well, so you can charge fast charge 1000 watts. So these are similar, just a little bit longer and even longer. got a pouch, and then if you use it at home, you can have this thing so magnetically attached there rather than just whoops on the floor again. It's not the first this kind of cable, but this is definitely one of the most good looking. Oh, by the way, it supports OTG as well, so it support data transfer. You can plug your hard drive as well if you want. At last, AirCard. Why is it called AirCard? Because it is actually AirTag. It is it is compatible with Apple Find My. This is a card. It's just a thickness of 2 credit cards. Put it in your wallet and you can track it anywhere. You can even save your business card into it and tap with NFC. It got one a little bit thicker, but this one you can change the battery by yourself. It's still just 3 credit card thickness. This is just incredibly thin. This is metal case. It feels nice. Rolling Square. The first time I checked it out, and I'm quite impressed. It is from Switzerland. Really innovative brand. So Rolling Square. I still haven't remembered the name, but check this out. Watch this space. Watch. Also, don't forget this is sponsored by NordVPN. There is a link in the description that if you join for 2 years, there's an exclusive deal plus 1 month free. And within 30 days, you can ask for money back. Basically, a free trial.